Yo, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on Temu, no jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see right here, we can increase our coins. It says Temu mod activated, add unlimited coins, money and cash. So we just press add cash, they go up like crazy, bro. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's super insane. So what you want to do, guys, is go to the zoo mods, type in Temu. Alright, so as you can see, we type in Temu. You can see it says Temu mod, so just press on that, wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take too long, but be sure to try this out because it's super cool. It's a totally working method, guys. So as you can see, I can actually increase my coins, which is pretty epic. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's fully working and they do go up, as you can see. So this is super cool, guys, so be sure to go ahead and try it out. As you can see, I got 855,000 coins right now, bro. Oh my gosh, damn, bro. So yeah, be sure to try this out. It's super cool. It's a fully working method, bro, and it doesn't require a computer or a jailbreak or anything like that, which is the best part. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's fully working. All you gotta do is go to this ZooMods site. You're gonna be good to go, bro. So be sure to try it out. I'll see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. And it is updated and everything like that. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video. But yeah, it's super cool, fully updated method and everything like that. So yeah, it's totally working, guys, if you need free coins. So see you later, and subscribe to the channel, and peace out.